Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. In this video, we will learn how to compute gross domestic product using the expenditure method. The expenditure method adds up four parts. Consumer spending, which we call C, business investment, which we call I, government spending, which we call G, and net exports, which is exports minus imports, or X minus M. So the GDP equation is GDP equals C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Now let's use an example. Suppose consumer spending is 500, investment is 200, government spending is 300, exports are 100, and imports are 80. First compute net exports. Exports minus imports is 100 minus 80, which equals 20. Now substitute into the GDP formula. Now add everything up. 500 plus 200 plus 300 plus 20 equals 1020. So the GDP is 1020. Quick summary. GDP equals consumer spending plus investment plus government spending plus net exports.